You need time to think before answering. What do you say? Let me think about it. Let me think about it. You are busy when someone calls. What do you say? Can I call you back later? Can I call you back later? You didn't hear something clearly. What do you ask? Could you repeat that, please? Could you repeat that, please? You want to make a suggestion. What do you say? Why don't we try something different? Why don't we try something different? You meet someone after a long time. What do you say? It's been a while. It's been a while. You are not interested in doing something. What do you say? I am not really into it. I am not really into it. You agree with someone's opinion. What do you say? I totally agree with you. I totally agree with you. You are ready to start. What do you say? Let's get started. Let's get started. You want to know someone's opinion. What do you ask? What do you think? What do you think? You are feeling confused. What do you say? I don't get it. I don't get it. You want to check if someone is free. What do you ask? Are you available now? Are you available now? You are about to leave a place. What do you say? I should get going. I should get going. You didn't expect something to happen. What do you say? That was unexpected. That was unexpected. You want to end a conversation politely. What do you say? It was nice talking to you. It was nice talking to you. You are feeling sleepy. What do you say? I am feeling sleepy. I am feeling sleepy. You are impressed with someone's efforts. What do you say? Good job. Good job. You need someone to wait a moment. What do you say? Hold on a second. Hold on a second. You want to express that something is simple. What do you say? It's not that hard. It's not that hard. You want to wish someone luck. What do you say? Best of luck. Best of luck. You want to end your day with peace. What do you say? Let's call it a day. Let's call it a day.